Hi, hello, welcome to FS with Srikanth. Now we are going to discuss operator examples. There are plenty of examples are there, but we are covering the little bit like 2 or 3 programs only we are going to cover. Right now we are going to discuss arithmetic operators example. Arithmetic operator example based on integer arithmetic, right? So here what are the symbols of arithmetic operator? Arithmetic operator symbols plus, minus, into, division and modulo division, and everyone knows this is a new symbol, new, that is it returns reminder, just observe, it returns reminder. So here we are going to cover this all expression, these all operator in one example, but we are going to discuss only integer point of view. Based on integer values, how it can be response. Just observe here, a value 17 and b value 4, and how it respond, right? In a first expression we are going to display a plus b, then obviously 17 plus 4, what we are getting, 21 we are getting. Next this one, a minus b, what we are getting, 17 minus 4 in a sense 13 we are getting output, right? A into b, what is the value of a into b? 17 into 4, how much? Please tell me. 17 into 4. And there is one more is there, a by b, and just give me that 17 by 4, what is the value, and a percentile b, and what is the value of a percentile 4? The first one, 17 4 ja 68, and 17 by 4 4 ja 16, right? 4 and 1 is remainder, this is the value of this integer arithmetic, right? This is the same program we are going to execute. Now we are opening turbo C++. I want to open existing file, the operator one example. Just observe, this is the same program we are going to cover. Same example is there, 17 minus 4, and we are going to execute the same and compile this program, and no errors, and we are trying to executing this, and what is the value of that? So everything is clear, right? Same. So we are executing here only integer values. Now we are going to focus floating point values. Floating point values in the sense, so now in a previous example we are using integer values. Now we are using a value 12.4 and b value 3.8. The same example we are performing a plus b, a minus b, a into b, and a by b we are performing. And modulo division is not for this percentile. Modulo division is not work for floating point values. Note that modulo division not works for floating decimal values are not valid for this modulo division. The same program we are going to execute here, and it was minimized. How we can expand this? With the help of alt enter, the same program, right? Same program. Now I am going to execute this F3 and OPR2, operator 2, just the same example. There is no modulo division, you observe, plus, minus, into and minus. Just you observe, I am going to compile, so no errors, and I am going to execute this one. So what we are getting, 16.2, and difference is 8.6, and product means multiplication 47.11199998, and a by b 3.263158, right? This is a value. Just to observe the very simple program, the decimal values we are getting decimal values, right? Then next program we are going to execute, we are going to cover first one. Next, this is one of the program, and fourth one, increment and decrement operator. Increment and decrement in the sense, plus plus, everyone knows, plus plus and minus minus. What it does, plus plus increase value 1, and this one is decrease value 1. One time one value will be, right now we are going to take only one integer value variable, that is x value 8, and right now first we are going to print x value is 8. Then plus plus, what is a plus plus 8? It's a pre-increment. Means first only it increase 8 plus 1. What is the value of right now x? 9. Output is here 9. Now x value I am trying to print 9. Next, minus minus x. What is the minus minus x? Before printing only it will be going to minus 1. What is the value of 8? 8 it will be print. The next one, now we are going to x plus plus. X plus plus in the sense, first it prints, then it increases the value. So what is that? First it prints 8. What is the value of x right now? 8 only. 8 plus 1, 9. In a future it going to take x value right now 9. Right. Again x plus plus. Again it prints 9. It prints 9. And again it increases plus 1. Value of x value is 10. Now xc is there. Just only it prints 10. Why? Because after printing 9 it increased by value 1. So now x value is 10. So that x value is right now 10. So here in this statement x is prints 10. Next one, x minus minus, postfix decrement, post decrement, right? So here first it prints the x value. What is the value of x right now? 10. It prints output is 10. Output is 10. After printing this one, it going to decrease by 1, 9. After printing the statement, it will be going to 9. Right now x value is 9. Same program, we are trying to execute this program. Same program. 8, 9, 9, it prints 8, and again it prints 8, and 9, 9, 9, 10, 9, 9. Just observe the same program. Alt enter, and F3 open, and we are going to execute operator program OPR4. Same program is there. I am going to compile. I am going to run. Just observe x 9 9, x value 8 9 9, 8 8 9 10 10 9. Just to observe. Next program, ternary operator, and we know that symbols question mark, colon. First it checks the condition. If the condition is true, it executes expression 1. If the condition is false, it prints expression 2. First expression checks, condition checks. If true, it executes. If false, right, everyone knows that. First we are going to A, B values. A value 10 and B value 5. A value 10 and B value 5. A value is this and B value is this. We are storing. Then it perform this one. Max equal to A greater than B, question mark, A colon B. Just observe what is the value of A, 10, B value 5, question mark, A value 10, B value 5. This is a true or false? It is a true. So it prints this one, true. Max. What value having max? It returns, entire statement returns 10. Max value is 10 right now. Right, it true. So it prints the log A and B is 10. A value is 10. Large of 10, 5 is 10. That is our output. Same program we are trying to execute, right? 3 and OPR 5. OPR 5, I am going to compile. Everything is same program, right? No errors and output. So I am going to enter 10, 4. What is the value of 10? 4. Larger of 10 and 4 is 10. And again we are going to check 30, 333, 222. What is the value we are getting? 333 is bigger, right? Quarter 3, sorry, not 333. And I am going to execute 2222 and 55555. Just observe what is the value of big? 555. Sorry, 5555. Right. These are operator programs, and I'm going to explain one more program. Sizeof. One of the most important program. This is one of the sizeof. Sizeof is returns the type size, data type size, just type size. So here everyone knows that, we know that int size. What is the int size? 2 bytes. What is the float size? 4 bytes. What is the short size? 1 byte. What is the long size? 4 byte. What is the double size? 8 bytes. The same memory size of can be gives. Variable size, data type size we are getting. First int var. Int, we are taking only one variable and we are trying to print size of int. We are trying to print size of int. What is the value of int? 2, we know that. Output is 2. Next one, size of float we are trying to print. What is the size of float? What is the size of float? 4 we are getting. Size of var. Size of var. Var is nothing but, here we are declaring one of the variable. That is a int. Var is nothing but int. What is the output? 2 only. The next one, size of 45. Size of 45. What is a 45? 45 is integer or not? So 45 is integer or short, it consider, just we check the output, right? Short in the sense we are getting 1. Of course, if it is an int, it prints 2. If it is considered long, it will be prints 4. Just observe output, and again we are trying to enter, and F3 size of SOF. So this is our program, the same program we are printing 2, 4, 2, and last one we are trying to get, right? So what we are getting, no errors, and we are going to execute. It consider int, it consider int, this is a value, right? We are 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, right? 2, 4, what we are getting here, 2, 4, 2 and 2. 45 is considered as a int. 45 it is considered as a int. AND operator, and the same program we covered in formatted input output example. So just you watch that video and you will get this bitwise AND explanation. And in the future we are going to cover, in the coming lectures we are going to cover complete bitwise example, and here we are trying to explain only little bit of example programs. We are not covering all programs, but these are enough for your examination, and these are enough, right? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Please subscribe.